Hey guys, this is Miss Julie. We are in lesson 11. And so what we're going to work on is counting to 3 and learning sums to 3. So this is our first fluency for today. It's called triangle 3. And so everybody say 3. I hope y'all said 3 very well. I really do. Let's count to 3 the math way. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Let's count to 3 the math way. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now, if you'll follow my cursor over here, we have 2 red counters. Sometimes they call them beans. So 2 red counters. And then we have 1 yellow counter. So let's count them all together. So here's 1, 2, 3. Good job. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Now let's look at our colors. 2 of these are red. So everybody show me 2 the math way. All right. And then we're going to put 1 more yellow on. So 2 red plus 1 yellow is 1, 2, 3. Very good. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So that is making 3 with 2 plus 1. Great job. Now the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you a finger and we're going to figure out how many more it takes to make 3. Okay. So if I had a 1, everybody show me a 1. All right, the math way, everybody flash a pinky at me. We got 1. Now, if I needed to get to 3, I would go 1. So we still have our 1, okay? And then 2, 3. So how many more fingers do we need to get to 3? 1, 2. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Great job. Let's do another one. What is this number? This number is 2. 1, 2. Very good. So if we want to get to 3, we have these 2. To get to 3, we have to put up 1 more. 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 more equals 3. Great job. And the last one is if I show you this, then you have how many? 3. So if we're wanting to get to 3, do we have to add any? No. So 3 plus 0 equals 3. Great job today working on our 3 facts. Now you're going to get into your lesson for today.